All right, guys, what's going on? Levi Trumbull here, and we're here today to hit you guys with a quick update as it relates to Chelsea Phoenix. The last time we came at you on this topic, we had told you about the fact that a judge had signed an arrest warrant for her immediate arrest, and that happened based on a petition for arrest warrant that was filed by the state of Maryland, in which the state claimed a few things. So first, they claimed that Chelsea was in violation of her terms of release by the fact that she was expelled from her inpatient treatment program, that being the Passionate Behavioral Health Program, which was located in Pikesville, Maryland. She was to complete that program, but she did not. She was kicked out for inappropriate behavior, or so the petition alleges. So that was one of the things. Another situation they claimed, and where she was in violation, was they claimed that she was not keeping up to date with her GPS tracking device. She had to be monitored by GPS. That was another element of her terms of release. And then also, it was alleged that perhaps Chelsea Phoenix is addicted to drugs. Of course, that would, very much be in opposition to her terms of release. So based on those allegations, a petition was filed, an arrest warrant was issued. And here and right now, we can actually confirm that Chelsea Phoenix was picked up on that arrest warrant on November 7th and brought back before the court on November 8th. And here's what happened. So at the November 8th hearing before Judge Minner in the Frederick County Circuit Court, Chelsea was present via Zoom, telephoning in from the jail, and here's what happened. Essentially, the judge released Chelsea Phoenix on her own recognizance, but similar to last time, she would have to be released back into an inpatient treatment program. And specifically, that new inpatient treatment program is called Project Chesapeake Behavioral Health Services. So that is what she has to now undergo, and she has to participate in what's known as their level 3.5 program, which is a high-intensity program that is designed to break people from drug abuse, drug addiction, whatever it is you might have, psychological issues that are coming into play. Again, this is a maximum 24-hour system that they have, that is their most high-tier system that Chelsea is going to have to undergo. And if in the event Chelsea is also not successful in that program is to notify the court, and presumably Chelsea Phoenix would be on her way back to jail. And I also just want to mention for the record that there was some paperwork filed previously by Chelsea's public defender that did talk about how Chelsea felt that she was not receiving adequate services with the Passionate Behavioral Health Program. So that was discussed, and Chelsea is now into this new program where we will see if she is able to complete it. Along with that, Chelsea also has to follow all the requirements of those original release conditions. So all the ones that we've talked about previously, those are still into play. But obviously here and now, that big one is that completion of an inpatient treatment program. Passionate didn't work, so let's see if Project Chesapeake is the magic trick. We don't know yet. I also want to state, just before we close out, that Chelsea is not out of the weeds yet. There is a violation of probation hearing scheduled for March 21st, where presumably they are going to determine if Chelsea Phoenix violated her probation by being on drugs. The claim is that she is addicted to drugs. We can sort of see that that might be the case just from the program that she is. It seems to specialize in that area. One of the things that they're specializing in is getting people off drugs and into a better place. So we don't know all those details yet, but when we figure out, we will report back. And for now, that is the latest on this situation. We'll talk to you very soon.